The power of repurposing for maximizing content exposure. Maximizing content exposure. Unleash the power of repurposing posts to social media gems. Repackage your blog content by slicing it into digestible bits for social media posts. Every subheader, tip, or key point can shine as a standalone post. Dive deeper into engaging with your audience through captivating IG stories and reels. Drive traffic back to your blog effortlessly. Revamp old blog posts for fresh reads. Breathe new life into older posts by extracting specific key points for detailed exploration in fresh blog posts. Blend insights from two related posts to craft an even more enriching read. Keep your content game strong without starting from scratch. Form blog wisdom into eye-catching infographics. Elevate the visual appeal of your content by turning blog quotes or key points into vibrant infographics or social media graphics. Create shareable masterpieces that catch the eye and draw in more readers. Extend their reach through ads or Pinterest for added exposure. Give emails a makeover with blog brilliance. Spice up your emails with exclusive access to deeper insights derived from new blog content. Amplify engagement by elaborating on key points or specific topics from your blogs. Compare past pieces with current takes to showcase growth and evolution. Unlock these content repurposing hacks to streamline your workflow, boost engagement, and magnify your reach without sweating over new ideas constantly. For aspiring entrepreneurs and solopreneurs seeking comprehensive tools, resources, and collaboration in their journey towards success, look no further than New Beginning. Success Collaboration. Gain access to thousands of dollars worth of invaluable resources with a free month trial. Dive into the world of digital business with New Beginning MRR Success Program that can help you launch a profitable venture in just a day, aiming for proven $4,000 revenue within the first week. Let an army of affiliates assist you in selling courses across 100+ countries. Remember, just like content and coffee so have nothing in common, let your entrepreneurial spirit soar high, fueled not only by ambition, but also by strategic collaborations and resourceful tools provided at New Beginning Success Collaboration, your sole destination for comprehensive support.